So just like Kendall, my job is literally beach. My name is Zach, I work for Best Reviews, and today I have some of my favorite items for the summer that some must-haves that I'm obsessed with, and I'm really excited to hang out at the beach today and try out these items. So honestly, one of the most important items you can bring to the beach is obviously your cooler. I mean, for obvious reasons. This is the Yeti Cooler. I'm obsessed with it. It is one of the nicest ones on the market. The big ones are a little clunky, hard to drag through the sand. This is small enough to carry with you. It has a strap that's detachable. It's leak-proof zipper. And they come in awesome colors too. I love this kind of sand color, matches the sand around me. But it's gonna keep everything cold and light. So this cooler retails for around $300. It is one of those coolers though you are gonna have for the rest of your life. It comes with a bomb because the zipper can be a little hard sometimes to zip up, but that's for a good reason because it's literally leak proof. Any water or something there is not gonna leak out in your car. But it comes in a lot of different colors. This is an investment though. You're gonna have this forever if you get this. And honestly, it's just the sickest looking cooler on the market, I think. All right, so after you have your cooler, you obviously need something to carry all your stuff in. This is a huge capacity. This is by Sun Ninja. I use my backpack a lot of times and the sand gets in there forever. Some of my backpacks will have sand in it to the end of the time. I love this one by Sun Ninja because it's huge. It also has this really nice material that's easy to get the sand out. You can wash it out. If something spills in it, sunscreen all over it, you can hose it off. These are detachable so you don't have to get them wet also. It's really durable and it has a huge capacity. I have 2 water bottles in here right now, 2 beach towels. I have a first aid kit, sunscreen, and some snacks, and it's all inside this bag. So that's pretty awesome by Sun Ninja. I may not be Baywatch, but if you get stung by a stingray or cut yourself doing something stupid, a first aid kit is a must. People overlook this all the time, whether at the beach, the lake, in the sun. This is an essential. Keep it in your car, keep it in your bag. Hashtag don't die. This one's actually by the Uncharted Supply Co. I got it on Amazon. Inside it has literally everything you can imagine. They're also not that expensive and something that you just won't regret having when the time comes. I definitely recommend keeping this in your pack at all times. Another beach favorite is Sunbum tanning oil. This is not your typical tanning oil though. It has SPF 15 in it. Get your tan without thinking about ruining your skin. I plan on spending most of my summer out here, so I'm gonna be using this every day. It's gonna last you all summer. Your friends are gonna wanna steal it from you. But also I wanna get a nice golden tan. So this is a K-beauty must. This is the Abib Sunstick. They have 2 different kinds. This is a sunscreen stick. It's kind of shaped like a deodorant stick, which is awesome. It's kind of a different design. It's super easy to put on. It's also waterproof for up to 80 minutes. You just wanna reapply afterward. It doesn't feel oily or gross or greasy on your skin, which is something I particularly hate about sunscreen. But the K-beauty, they have it down. They know how to protect their skin. That's how they have that perfect glass skin. You better be putting sunscreen on this summer. I have a few options for you. The CeraVe tinted one is also awesome. This is 30 SPF and it's tinted. You can find your shade. It comes in 3 different shades. It's also only $15. If you don't plan on getting in the water, this is awesome just for giving you a nice little coverage on the sun. The tinted is also nice because it kind of just smooths your skin. This is a mineral-based one for 15 bucks from CeraVe. Won't break you out. And if even that's not your vibe, the Neutrogena has a 60 SPF, which is going to protect you fully from the sun. Goes on sheer, not oily or greasy. And you can use this like daily one. This is also only $15 on Amazon. Sorry, I'm just hydrating. This is my Owala. I take it everywhere with me. Owalas are just like the best of the best. They have this free sip technology so you can sip or pour the water that way or sip it. It's like a straw, which is really cool. It locks shut and you have a lock in case you want to throw it in your bag and not worry about spillage. I'm obsessed. It comes in a bunch of different sizes. This is the 40-ounce tumbler, but they have different styles as well. I just think this is perfect. I use it every single day. And of course, you need a blanket to lay on. This entire blanket fit in this little tiny bag. The whole point of going to the beach is you want to have less that makes more because you want to lug that back to your car. This tiny little bag, it's super, super soft, folds up really small, comes with a few stakes for each corner, and honestly, I'm just pretty comfy. I'm going to lay on this thing all day while I use my tanning oil. My name is Zach from Best Reviews. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and make sure to join us for our beach day. If there's anything we're forgetting, make sure to comment below, and I'm going to make sure to test it out.